Welcome back, folks. As you can see, this is fully assembled, ready to go, and as promised, here's the demonstration, and I'm gonna go over I did have to end up having to make a repair on it, but I'll show you that at the end, because I know, let's get down to business. This is the only place right here where I'm having any issues at all as far as the mechanics of it. It just hangs up sporadically. I put that one there. It didn't stick by itself. And here's the repair I was talking about. I broke the very bottom part of the twisty part, so I had to wire it down with a strand of copper wire that I took from an old piece of 12 gauge I'd stripped down. Otherwise, it works pretty consistently. Everything works very well. I'm very pleased with the outcome of the project. I like the mechanics of it. I like both the complication and ease. I think I've mentioned before, if you've seen any of the other videos, that I was surprised how little trouble I actually had with getting all the pieces together and making them fit and make everything work. I'm sure that issue down here where the ball is hanging is something that I did, but I can't figure out how to make it not do it. Otherwise, I highly recommend these puzzles. It's not as complicated as it looks, is what it comes down to, and I think everybody should give it a try. If you're predisposed to do mechanical things like this, I think you should try it. Thanks, guys, and stay tuned for the next project. I'm going to announce either this afternoon or tomorrow evening, tomorrow afternoon, sometime tomorrow, sometime today or tomorrow. Can you tell I'm almost professional at this by now?